Today I'm installing coilovers on the R34. I decided to go with some BC racing coilovers, so let's get started. I'm taking out the bumper so I can get a better jacking point. I have to break the nut in the bottom of the coilover, and also I have to break the nut on top here in the strut tower. Okay, so you kind of have to get in there and pry the coilover off of this bolt right there. So you're gonna have to do some fighting. So now I'm installing the new coilover, and with the BC coilovers, you want to make sure the bigger side, so this longer side, is facing the rear of the car with the washer on top. And then you might want to spin this around so it's facing your brake line. So in order to do the rear coilovers, you have to undo the rear seats. So you're gonna find this bolt on this side and on the other side as well, and you're just gonna undo those first. After fighting the seats, I managed to get them off, and then now I'm able to access the top hats of the old coilovers, and they're gonna be under here. So I just have to unscrew those right over here and on the other side, and we should be good. So the nut came off, and then now I'm going to use the jack to relieve some tension on this bolt so it can come out. We're going to go ahead and loosen fully the top hat so the coilover just drops. Next, we're going to put in the new coilover. Just a helpful tip, in order to release tension from the subframe, I jack up the car from the diff, so that lowers the subframe, and then it makes it easier for me to go ahead in between here and then carefully, not to mess up the paint, to put in the coilover just like that, and then line up your bolts up there for the top hat. It's gonna take a little moving around and strength. Stop. Now I'm using the 17 on the nut behind the bolt, and then we're just going to tighten. The coilovers are finally on, and that's what they look like right now on stock wheels. They're not fully maxed out, but I drove it for a few hours and it definitely feels a lot better than my old HGS coilovers that were completely donkey butt. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And don't worry, these wheels are not staying on. I already got new wheels. So stay tuned for my next video, and thank you guys for watching.